Question number 7. Which AWS service aids in identifying potential security issues and vulnerabilities in your AWS environment? So we're identifying potential issues, things that might potentially be improved in our environment to make it more secure or otherwise better. Our first option is S3, whose primary job is to be an object store, a place to create S3 buckets that contain files that I want to retrieve later. That doesn't help us identify security issues exactly. Although perhaps I might store files about my security environment in an S3 bucket, the service itself doesn't specifically help aid with identifying security problems. How about B, AWS Trusted Advisor? Trusted Advisor is a capability that summarizes a variety of important points about the way my environment currently runs to draw my attention to opportunities to improve the cost profile of my architecture, to avoid running out of certain kinds of resources that are subject to quotas, and to notify me of potential security issues. So that sounds a lot like what we're looking for. And then there's EC2 and Lambda, both of which are there to be able to provide applications. I can run applications in a virtual machine environment on EC2. I can run them in a serverless fashion via AWS Lambda. Neither one is primarily designed to be a security vulnerability exposer sort of a tool. The one that most clearly meets the requirements here is AWS Trusted Advisor.